Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place: a clean Unreal project, enabled animation and sequencer plugins, and an imported skeletal mesh with a correct root bone. Once done, open the animation blueprint and assign the mesh. This is where you control state machines and blend spaces. Make sure to retarget any animations if rigs differ, because mismatched bones break poses. Then create a new level sequence. This is your timeline. From here, you'll add animation tracks and bind your mesh to play clips. You work the middle by building motion. Open the level sequencer, add your skeletal mesh, and drop animation sequences into tracks. Set keyframes for timing. Once the baseline is there, use Control Rig to craft procedural adjustments. This saves time for tweaks and offsets. Use blend spaces inside the animation blueprint for parameter-driven blends like speed or direction, and create state machines for logical transitions. Make sure to scrub frequently and play in PIE, so you can iterate on timing and curves. You finish by baking or exporting your animation. Bake when combining procedural and keyframed motion, or export as FBX for external use. Then optimize, remove redundant keyframes, set proper LODs, and profile in-game to maintain FPS. Once exported, verify root motion settings and ensure orientation matches the target. If things go wrong, check your retarget mapping and skeleton hierarchy first, because most issues stem from mismatched bones or disabled root motion. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.